especially in cabinet of council of minister of awtina promantam bro jasmo satung kini jmp netaro bro box hamano kintu in reality o bai kono kuri जों मेनथिन प्रमाण दङ जों जे बिल पास खालामनाय आन्दार पागस दङ जों 2019 no o जों बिल जों पास करावका जोंनि कैबिनेट एप्रूव करावका आरो आं बानान प्रय करावका जोंनि रिनेमिंग अफ टीटीएडीसी जों काबरावका तिप्रा काउन्सिल ओरे ब्रो ब्रो तो कोन पास लाया जों लुगिया ब्रो जे सोना सातो अब बर अभ्यास खाइगला ब्रो वर्ड विथ एक्शन कक सादि सामुखलायदि निके मतो ब्रो last 15 বছর 20 বছর বরফ সরকার চাল খাই দंखा 25 বছর খালাইखा কিন্তু जों वाइसमान लुगिया जे बरो तिनि एडिसिनो तेबो पावर खिना बागै बरो कैबिनेटो बरो बिल पास लाया अब जों कुनो प्रमाण करै अब तै जों साइमना अब आं अब कक्सना मुसियासे जों तो अलरेडी अब पास खैजा I'll speak in English, huh?
Sorry,
first of all, I would like to give my best regard and thanks to our Sri Amit Shah ji, Honorable Home Minister of India, and also Arjun Munda ji, Honorable Tribal Affairs Minister of India, for giving us this opportunity and give us appointment to discuss about various issues, especially relating to our problem, and especially the Home Minister is very kind enough to give his valuable time. It is not easy to get appointment, as you all know. He is a very busy man, and I was really wonder that there are a lot of line in his office. I've seen a lot of ministers from other state, but he have called us first. We have to stay only 10 minutes in the waiting room. Then he have called us, and he's really giving us very warm welcome as soon as we enter his chamber. He's welcome us, and with very cordial relationship he maintained, and he minutely listened our problem, and one by one I tried to explain him why we want statehood based on the certificate of Tripura. I tried to explain him, and he's very listening minutely, and he have given us around half an hour time. It's not easy. And also I have discussed with the high level committee was constituted last 2018 prior to our alliance. So this also I have talked about, and he said the high level committee was constituted during the time of Rajnath Singh ji, so he's not very well aware about that, but he said he know, and somehow he said there's a delay, and he promised us to continue this committee, and this committee was constituted in various departments, home department, agriculture, forest, land, like there are a lot of departments he told us, so we need to coordinate with them. And since the chairman was retired, so he become the link in between. So he said he assured us that he will continue with the committee. And the main purpose of this committee was to look after the socio-economic and political problem of indigenous people of Tripura. And third, we have a discussion about the special recruitment drive. I again emphasize that there are a lot of lakhs of people, thousands of people are unemployed in our state, since we have deprived for the last 25 years. Especially ST, SC, there are a lot of backlog posts lying vacant in our government. So due to the shortage of fund and all, we cannot give. Then I also explained him that since due to the new recruitment rule, RR rule, there are some constraints, some problem arise. Therefore, the normal process of recruitment cannot fulfill about especially the ST candidate. So I request him to have a special consideration and have a special recruitment drive. And in that time he explained that we need discussion with the state government. And since I'm coming on August, so regarding this issue also, we'll talk. Both BJP and Ipft leaders will discuss about this matter to sort out this problem. And fourth is very important. I have discussed with him about the amendment of 6th schedule to the Constitution of India. It's very burning issues. But this 125 amendment bill is not only related to Tripura state, it also related to Northeast state. So all the state, Northeast state people also, like Mizoram, Meghalaya, Karibanglong, Nagaland, they also want to include in this amendment. So there are a lot of discussion take place, and he said there is already committee constituted, and so far I know the Anand Sharma, Congress leader, an MP, is the chairman of this committee, standing committee, Parliament standing committee. So now he told me that already this report was submitted, and now this will be discussed and this will be taken care of by Home Department. So most probably, he said there are some more discussion will take place with the stakeholder, and all the leaders of the Northeast people will be called for final discussion. That was why he informed me. And last point, I have discussed with him about our Kokborok issues. As you know, Kokborok is the state language of the state, but still Kokborok is not developing because of the lot of reasons behind. And I told him to include in 8th schedule of the constitution to our Kokborok language. And also I mentioned here most majority of people, 70% people are in favor of Roman script. So even script matter also I have discussed with him very thoroughly, and he said that will be taken care of, and we will discuss further regarding this issue also to include the 8th schedule Kokborok as well as the script matter. Which script is favorable for the people? He said he will discuss with the state government. So these are taking place, our discussion, and I am very hopeful and very confident that this time our Delhi Abhijan is very fruitful, and people are waiting that most probably is coming to on August, and we'll discuss in detail, and these are the what final discussion have taken place. So hopefully people will understand and what Ipft party is doing, what our state government is doing, everybody know. And all this message I want to give my people. Thank you.
Sir, any